Alright, people, you're listening to 107.5 FM, the Gonzales Review. It is now 10:56 p.m. Pacific time. Most people are now asleep, or some people are awake. We're here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Haha, Vegas, with late night news about the city. Before we get into that, let's do this. The weather. Oh, sorry, about the fish. Wait. Oh. Another alert warning. Come on. First of Meteor X, now Hellish North America, and now here? Please stand by. Huh? Wait a minute. My turn? Oh, cool. Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Las Vegas, Nevada. Oh shit, we're doomed. The riots have taken place all over the city, killing thousands of people and destroying a ton of buildings due to Labor Day. Citizens are required to stay in their shelters. The police will take care of this developing situation. If you participate in the riots, you will be arrested, possibly shot. Stay in your fallout shelter until an all-clear sign is given by the proper authorities. If not, well, you will be arrested, possibly shot. This radio will continue to support the city of Las Vegas until further notice. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this developing situation. All clear. Civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Las Vegas, Nevada. The rioters were successfully arrested by the Las Vegas Police Department. Probably, I don't know what the name is. Labor Day is saved, thanks to our brave police officers. Citizens of Las Vegas are free to leave their shelters. Have a great Labor Day. Well, Labor Day's over, but enjoy the rest of tomorrow. Well, yeah. Enjoy the rest of today.